So, me and my dad did 2 cool science experiments a few days ago, and they were both variations on classic experiments that normal kids do. So, we did the first one on chemical bonds, and it was putting cranberries into the sodium or the baking soda plus vinegar reaction that makes a cool fizzy reaction, and sodium acetate and carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide formed on the cranberries as bubbles with gas, and those bubbles would then carry the cranberries up to the top of the surface, and then once they got up, all of those bubbles would be exposed to the air, and the CO2 that was in the bubbles would just come out into the air, and then it wouldn't have enough elbow grease to stay up there. So it would go back down, and then it would gather more bubbles, and then it would go back up and then down, and they kept going up and down for the first few minutes, but then they started to kind of go slower because there was the carbon dioxide was decreasing because all the carbon dioxide had been released into the air, so they get slower and slower. The second experiment was a variation on frying ice to each state of matter, and that was to weigh the state. See if all the states they weighed the same, but we couldn't really capture a lot of it, so we were having a tough time with the solid ice. Some of it got on my finger and on my pants and stuff, and then we weighed the liquid and we put it in a bucket and just put it on the scale and stuff. It was pretty nice, but we fried it and put it on the scale, and then the gas came, and we were wondering what to do. So first we put a bunch of tin foil on a piece of cardboard to try to make the water condense, or make the vapor condense onto the aluminum foil, so that you could put it over a bowl, and it would drip down into the bowl, and you could gather that. But then we figured out quickly that didn't work, and our efficiency was horrible. There was about 19 grams of solid, about 18 grams of liquid. Pretty good, right? And then the gas, there was about 1 gram.